I'm Ankur Singh, a legal intern at Lexis and Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about death punishments. On 24th April 2018, a PIL was filed in Supreme Court. Name of this case was Rishi Malhotra versus Union of India. In this case, petitioner want to submit that death penalty that is given in India is hanging. Hanging is an inhuman method. His argument was that honorable death or easy death should be fundamental right. Then Supreme Court asked clarification from central government, can be any other method of capital punishment in India. Central government says death penalty that is hanging is better than any other method. Government says death penalty is given in rare of the rarest cases. For your information, I should tell you that in case of Bachchan Singh versus State of Union of India, Supreme Court says death penalty should be given in rarest of the rare cases. Central government quote this judgment and said, though the death penalty is given in rarest of the rare cases, if it is made easy, people will not afraid of it. That CRPC section 354 clause 5 should be declared invalid because it is a violation of Article 21. Central government in response to this notice of Supreme Court said it's entirely a matter of exclusive domain and no public interest litigation should be accepted on it. There is a provision in CRPC section 354 about the manner in which punishment will be given to a guilty. In 354, it is said that where any person is sentenced to death, he should be hanged by the neck till he is dead. Central government argued that in case of Dina versus Union of India, Supreme Court says 354 clause 5 of CRPC is not a violation of Article 21. Article 21 talks about right to life and by following due process by law can stop liberty of life and body. Dina versus Union of India is a landmark judgment of this case. In this case, Supreme Court says death penalty is not violative of Article 21. Central government described the process of hanging with a rope as an easy and quick way to die, and government also submits that it does not create possibility of an accident and does not delay the death. Said that some other method should be of capital punishment should be found. It takes 40 minutes to hang and declare him death, but while shooting it takes only few minutes, and it takes only 5 minutes in poisonous injections to declare him dead. 58 countries who hangs for the capital punishment and 73 countries who shoots for the this punishment, and 6 countries who use stoning for this capital punishment, and 5 countries they use poisonous injections, and 3 countries use brutal ways for this punishment. So the provisions of death penalty in certain countries. Afghanistan and Sudan uses firing and firing, stoning, and hanging for the capital punishment. India, Malaysia, Barbados, Botswana, Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Korea, these countries use only hanging as a capital punishment. Bangladesh, Cameroon, Syria, Uganda, Kuwait, and Iran uses shooting or hanging either any of these ways for capital punishment. Thailand, Turkmenistan, Togo, Bahrain, Chile, Indonesia, and Armenia uses firing as the only way for capital punishment. China also uses firing and poisonous injection as a methods for capital punishment. America uses poisonous injections, hanging, or shooting as its ways for capital punishment. Ways of death penalty in the world. What are your views on this? Please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.